Okay, this is off script, so take this with a grain of salt. I'm the Panda Photographer. Welcome to the channel. I appreciate you guys tuning in. So, we are talking about the EOS HD package again for the Canon 80D. The color profile or cinema profile that I'm using is called Chrome. And as you can see, it looks pretty nice. I kind of like it. Uh, if I'm going to record video or B-roll, I would do a little bit of adjustment, you know, maybe add a little bit more, a tad, a little bit more sharpness to it, and that's it. But other than that, it looks good. It looks so good, and I like it. I like how those yellows are popping on my hat, and I like how crispy but also rich these greens look on the hat. I really like that. Looks nice, and I like the silver tone on my headphones with the lights giving it off because I got two Veltrox RB08s here, and I got one right above because I got rid of the Aperture H1IC because it was too big. I've been giving away a lot of stuff lately for free. Actually giving away a Canon to Micro Four Thirds adapter, which is manual, no control, no electronic components on it. If you guys want it, leave me a message in the comments down below. I would select the winner. But other than that, it looks good. I am really satisfied with the color that is coming off, especially with my skin tone. I really like that. Pretty much. Now, I have a bad hair day. I've been in an electric scooter accident yesterday. I've been really sore. Everyone here has been very supportive. And I am very abused. So, yeah. Hopefully you guys like this content, and I'm going to straightly upload this the way it is. No audio processing. No color grading. No editing. No nothing. So, with that said, everyone, thanks for tuning in. If you like the color grade, I'll leave the links down below where you can purchase it for your Canon cameras. But with that said, eat, sleep, photography, videography, and repeat. And I will see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Enjoy the week. Be safe out there. Happy shooting.